Welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how we can upgrade our Flutter. So for you to upgrade Flutter, very simple. You go to a prospect YAML. As you can see here, you just run Flutter upgrade. You just click, you see Flutter upgrading. That is it. Colors, upgrading engine, Flutter blah blah blah, channel stable. This is continuously going. So everything is finished, everything has been downloaded. So guys, that is how you upgrade Flutter. You just open your project, you click on Flutter upgrade, or you can go to command line and you just type Flutter upgrade. Let me just type you go to command line, type Flutter. Flutter update, and then hit enter. So those are the two ways. If you like to upgrade your Flutter, you can. You see, it's upgrading. So guys, those are the two ways you can use to upgrade Flutter. But another way out, you can look up for like Flutter reload. Flutter blocking, and so on and so forth. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is how you upgrade Flutter. You either go to your command section, you run this Flutter upgrade, or you click here on your project as you open the project. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if you are new here in this community, please subscribe to this channel. So let's move forward with programming. Until then, see you guys.